everyone, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com. Today we're making stuffed chicken parmesan. It's crisp on the outside and so juicy on the inside. This is an easy, one-pan, 30-minute meal. We'll start with 4 medium chicken breasts. Season those all over with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Using a sharp knife, cut a deep slit into each chicken breast without cutting all the way through. Stuff each chicken breast with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella and close the edges to seal. Now we'll set up our breading stations. You'll need 3 large bowls. In the first one, add half a cup of flour. In the second, beat 2 large eggs thoroughly with a fork. And in the third bowl, stir together half a cup of breadcrumbs with 1/3 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese. Working with 1 stuffed chicken breast at a time, carefully dredge the first one in flour, tapping off any excess. Now dip into the eggs, letting any excess egg drip back into the bowl. Finally, transfer it to the breadcrumbs and turn it a couple of times to give it a good coating. And if any of you have any tips or tricks on how to keep your hands clean in this process, let me know in a comment below. Place a large deep pan or Dutch oven over medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to lightly coat the bottom. Once the oil is hot, add the breaded chicken in a single layer and saute 4 minutes per side or until golden brown on each side. Now pour 2 cups of your favorite marinara sauce around and between the chicken breasts. Spoon some of the sauce onto the center of each chicken breast, then sprinkle the remaining mozzarella over the top. Now bake uncovered at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is just cooked through. I'm excited. It smells so good. Oh, and you know what? Before I serve, add a little bit of fresh basil. It just adds this beautiful pop of color and flavor to the dish. Ooh, so pretty. All right, here we go. Ooh, yum. Look at that cheese pull. Cheese on the outside, cheese on the inside. You can never have too much cheese. There's no such thing. Okay, and let's cut into this thing because there is a treasure of melted cheese inside of this thing, and it is such a treat. Look at that cheese. So much cheese. These are loaded, and that mozzarella keeps the center of the chicken really juicy and flavorful. All right, let's get a bite of this. And this is so good served over pasta, just plain noodles, because it's got that marinara sauce on it. Here we go. Hot. It is so juicy. I mean, it's crisp on the outside with that Parmesan breadcrumb crust, and so tender inside. This is delicious, and it's so easy. My family loves this recipe. If you guys enjoyed this, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you later. This is so easy and good. If you love one-pan chicken recipes, check out some of our favorites right over here, and click below to subscribe. And when you do, click that little bell icon so you'll get notifications every time we post a new recipe.